Hello everyone, we are from A class. Let us introducing ourselves. My name is Naila Kairinisa with student ID 4424061.
My name is Nadifa Shurida Parinduri with student ID 4440749.
Let's see our podcast.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's discussion. I'm Nella, your host. Today, we are going to discuss the impact of full price increase. Recently, rising full price have become a major concern because they affect many aspects of daily life, from transportation costs to the price of basic goods. To help us understand this issue, we have Naya as our guest speaker. Hello Naya, thank you for joining us today.
Hello Nella, thank you for inviting me. I'm happy to be here.
Okay, let's start with the first question. In your opinion, what is the biggest economic impact of rising fuel price?
In my opinion, the biggest impact is the increase in the price of goods and service. When fuel price go up, transportation and distribution costs also increase. As a result, many businesses raise the price of their products, making everyday necessities more expensive for consumers.
That's a good point. How do higher fuel price affect transportation costs?
Transportation is one of the sectors most affected. Public transportation fares might increase, and people who use private vehicles have to spend more money on fuel. Delivery service also become more expensive, which can affect online shopping and business operation.
Many people also talk about inflation whenever fuel price rise. Could you explain the connection?
Of course, rising fuel price can contribute to inflation because higher transportation and production costs often lead to higher price for goods and service. This means people need to spend more money to buy the same things while their income may stay the same.
Hmm. How about student and society? What impacts do they experience?
Students may have to spend more money on transportation to campus. The price of food, drinks, and other daily necessities can also increase, making it more difficult to manage their monthly budget. For society, especially low-income families, higher living costs can become a serious financial burden.
Considering those impacts, what do you think should be done to reduce the burden of society?
I think the government should improve public transportation, provide target assistance for people who need it, and maintain the stability of essential goods. At the same time, people can reduce unnecessary travel, use public transportation when possible, or share rides to save fuel.
Thank you, Naya, for sharing your thoughts and opinions. From today's discussion, we can conclude that rising fuel price affect the economy, transportation costs, inflation, and daily life of students and society. Therefore, cooperation between the government and the public is important to minimize this impact. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in our next discussion. Have a nice day, Naya.
Have a nice day, Kunela. Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. I'm Naya, your host for today's episode. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, why should university students learn English? I'm happy to welcome our guest Nela. Thank you for joining us today.
Hi, Naya. Thank you, Naya. I'm happy to be here. I believe English is an essential skill for university students because it supports academic success, career opportunities, and global communication.
Let's start with higher education. Why is English so important for university students in their academic life?
Many academic research, such as journal, textbook, and research paper, are written in English, according to the book English as a global language by David Crystal. English has become the main language of international education and research. This means students who understand English can access more reliable and up-to-date knowledge.
That's very interesting. How about future careers? Does English really make a difference in the workplace?
Yes, it does. by the British Council show that English professionally increases employability because many international companies require employees to communicate in English. In addition, many multinational companies use English as their working language, so graduates with good English skills have better career opportunities.
Besides education and career, what role does English play in global communication and technology?
English is a dominant language on the internet, in technology, and international communication, according to research published by Cambridge University Press. English helps people collaborate with others from different countries and give access to digital learning platforms, online courses, and the latest technological developments.
Thank you, Nila, for sharing this valuable insight. Today, we have learned that English is important not only for academic success, but also for career development and global communication.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me, Naya. My final opinion is the learning English is a valuable investment for every university student because it opens access to knowledge, creates more career opportunities, and help us communicate in today's global world.
Thanks to everyone for listening, and we hope this discussion encourage in university students to improve their English skill. See you in our next episode. Goodbye.
Thank you for
watching
our
our
podcast.
podcast. See
See
you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next
project.
project. Dah.